So what, like your impression faster, slower? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you caught the last upload, sorry for the wait, by the way, I alluded to the fact that we had another car coming in. Yes, boys and girls, as if we don't have enough to do here already. There's another car coming in, but hey, why? We like to party, so yeah, that's what's up today. I'll introduce you to him.
Yeah, it don't have no drive line in it though. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Brake on? Brake work?
Parking brake? Just leave one on there.
Oh, he's got the front one on.
Yeah, just leave one front on there. All right, guys, we got another non-camera shy car guy build. Boomer, what do you think, dude?
Can't wait to get it.
You excited about that Coyote, aren't you?
Oh, heck yeah.
All right, guys, so here's the story. 93 GT, is that right? How much? 89? Okay. And you've had it?
Since I was about 18, 19 years old.
Okay, so you've had it almost 20 years then.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe more.
Well, I'm 45 now.
But yeah, guys, we got us another build here. So we're gonna be a stick car.
Yes.
Good deal. So Coyote, stick, man. Yeah, that was Todd leaving there. We got an 89 GT sitting on the race stars, looking good. Very good. So Boomer, you just wanted a street car, huh? Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I want. I want to sit and play on the street.
You just want to ride. I understand how that goes.
Take care of them LSs.
Yeah, you won't have any problem with that. Tell him. You won't have no problem with that. So I wish me and Corey had our cars out here. We can give you a little taste of what you're in for next.
I've heard a few of those builds in the past.
Just a few.
Well, I guess we'll just keep hands on it.
Yeah.
I need the interior done, a new carpet, and
Yeah, we can do it.
overall.
Car looks good on the race stars. Just, you know, being all blacked out and everything. Looks good. All right, boys, let's get this bad boy off and take a look. There she
It's
goes.
gonna be the stopper back here.
Yeah, we'll just make Toby the stopper. He can catch it. What's it?
2 hot feet steering.
Is there brakes or the steering shaft hooked up?
Brakes, you might turn the key on.
Alright. Yes, sir. We're down. Parking brake? Maybe not. Yeah. I'm too old and fat for a roll cage.
Oh, okay, then.
Man, looking good.
Yeah.
This thing's all set up, see? Very nice, got all the gauges. So the old combo was a 347 with a Procharger. And now we're going Coyote. I don't know, I guess he sold it. Bummer, did you sell all your old stuff?
What?
347, all that sold? Gone? Yeah. Now he's ready to step his game up a little bit. I know the feeling. You know the feeling too, don't you?
That's a booster car.
Oh yeah.
Doing something, huh?
Yeah. Got all the gauges, full cage, race seats. Yeah, let's take a look and see what we got under the hood.
Got another one in there? Yeah. The gray car's got that.
Oh, that's Todd. Let's see how we're looking under the hood. All right. Tubular K member. Coilovers. Yes, sir. Caster cambers.
Oh, he just hung that thing, right? Or did he?
No.
Still got your MSD box hooked up. Oh, we're going back. Oh, okay. So we need to get this in the shop. We'll move that out of the way. How'd the Explorer ST do? No? Yeah?
That's probably her car. Yeah.
So he stole your car to make it a tow vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh man.
See what these guys do. They do.
All right, but before we go any farther, we got to get your reaction. What do you think? What do you think of the lineup here?
Telling you.
See, we get used to it, you know, seeing it every day, but like when you actually see it in person, it's kind of mind blowing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially if you love these cars the way we all do.
I like how you do your engine bay. I mean, that's the.
Yeah. Are we doing your bay?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Nice. Very nice.
That's gonna look good.
Yeah, yeah. This is the freshest one. Well, of course, I'm sure you know.
This one just came in last week, right?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago, yeah. And then that's the one we did a long time ago that's getting the blower and all that. And then that's the
on this one. I've been doing the fuel system, so let's get a
yeah,
little bit closer.
fuel
Yeah, I
system.
wanted to show her your car what it looked like when it was completely.
Oh,
done.
yeah, I
she don't
should
know
have brought
what
it.
one, she don't know what one looks like.
Yeah.
Done.
No, is that mine here?
Yeah, let's go out there and we got two out here. Let's go check them out. Number 1 and number 2 we did out here. All right, so this is the very first one. This is Dover's car. This is an 89.
Same year as mine.
Yeah, this is the very first one. This one's been done about 3 years.
Yeah.
But are they not holding? That's about like mine.
Shucks, I want something for mine.
But yeah, this is the first one. So you got your air and power steering and
See how big it is. I mean, it's all moderate.
yeah, it fills it up really nice. But we didn't actually do the bay on this one. See, these are just the panels you rivet in. But yeah, dude,
Now,
jump in there and
when you do the engine bay, I mean, you guys like fiberglass it, Bondo it, or how do you?
No. We all this gets cut out, and then we put the Scott rod panels in, and then we use kind of like a seam sealer and stuff like that. Weld some, like we'll weld, and then we'll use like a seam sealer and.
Yeah, I mean, them in the shop look a lot better.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more slicker, I think.
Yeah, this like I was saying.
That looks good too, but
Yeah, it's definitely a good option if you're trying to get it done quick. But
which I was telling her, I mean, you're basically got a new car, but it's in an old Fox.
right, exactly. Jump in there and start it up.
Where did the seats come out of? Kate?
Those are TMIs, I believe. That's actually a upholstered kit. See, it's cold nature, just like a newer car.
Got the new Dakota dash in it.
Yeah, he's been actually doing a little bit of work on it. That's why the bottom piece is out, though. So what's the verdict?
It's a beast.
It's just stock motor.
Yeah,
I
but man,
mean-
I didn't think it would. I didn't think automatic would
Oh
be
yeah.
that impressive.
That's
I mean,
the
like
thing.
you said, like the old school automatic, like the OC4s,
Right.
And the new style.
That's stock converter and everything.
It's bone stock trim.
That's a truck converter too.
No power radder or nothing.
That's the thing. These aren't AODs. Those 6R80s are they're nasty. They shift so good, especially tuned right.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
500. That's where it's going to shift. You just put your foot on the floor.
So, what, like your impression, faster, slower?
Up on the big end, man, it just screams.
Oh, they never quit. Especially like on a manual, you can just.
Yeah, it don't quit pulling.
I told him too. I said, you know, it's a little more feeling in your car because you have the slicks.
Yeah.
You can tell mine's spinning quite a bit.
I should have drove my. Well,
Yeah.
we should have brought both of them. You'd have loved it.
Nothing about it, but
Crunch the.
Oh yeah, he'll do all that when he does his panels.
Can that be fixed a little bit?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Okay.
He'll clean
Yeah,
all
he's
that
gonna
up.
when he does your bay, he's gonna cut all that out. And you can actually see if you look over here.
I was worried about that.
Yeah, let me get in there, Toby. If you get down here, you can see how he does them. He cuts basically all this out.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah, and then that's the panel right there.
Hey, I was worried to death.
So.
That was going to be shown because where I leave.
All right, Boomer. So are we going with an automatic or a stick in this car, or are you gonna think about it?
Don't ask me.
Come on, I'm putting you on the spot right now. You rode in the auto. You rode in the auto. I mean, seriously though, like it depends on what you want to do. I love my stick. I hate the thought of getting rid of it, but I hate getting beat by automatics, which happens a lot. So
did you just hear that?
it just depends on what you want to do.
You got time to think about it.
Yeah.
Go home and do some research.
So what
I
you
already did my research.
so what you
I
got to do is
Toby's car.
send back a cell phone video of your decision.
I will.
Text it to me and be like, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. And in the meantime, we're gonna get this thing stripped down and
Be the last time it looks like this.
yeah. Next time next time you see it, it'll look like that.
Very soon.
Yeah, take a picture of it. That way you can see it before and after.
Exactly, because it won't be long. But
Well, this is my dream.
Yeah.
we got it.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it. It's gonna look good.
I know. I got a car like this myself.
I work a lot of hours and I work 2 jobs to get this done.
Work hard, play hard.
I work 2 jobs and mine still sitting apart in the trailer.
One of these days we'll get to finish your car too. We got the motor over there. All right, boys. So there you go. That is the latest build. Are you excited?
Very excited.
You ready to go kick some LS ass? Oh wait. Ooh, did I say that out loud? So you're excited about the Coyote?
Very excited.
It's gonna be freaking sweet. It's
Yes.
gonna be sweet. I love black, but if my car was black, you couldn't tell me shit.
It looks good far away.
Yeah, well, my car's the same way. It's original paint, but dude, decided to do this build. Glad to meet you guys.
Yeah, you too.
And this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
Next time I come back,
Yeah,
it'll
look,
be ready.
if you come back for Ford Takeover, I'm gonna give you a ride in my car, and we'll put the GoPros and we're gonna have fun. I
Hold you
promise.
to it.
All right, well, good to see you. All right, guys. So that is what is up. We got another build in the shop. No end of content. I promise you. It's it never ends, boys. Love it. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll be back because we got builds to do later.